Hi, my name is Mario and welcome to PlazaBI. I work as a BI analyst and I've been thinking about opening a YouTube channel so I can share some of the knowledge and techniques that I have learned throughout my career. I really like learning about new technologies and solve complex data problems. So if you're a curious person like myself that want to learn about Power BI, how to improve your skills, or even start from scratch from how to transform the data, how to build reports, this might be the right place for you. I would like to use this YouTube channel as a way to expand my network, create a community, and learn from each other. And with no further ado, let's jump to the topic of today. How can we install Power BI? I'm just gonna share my screen and show you step by step how you can install Power BI. Okay, so there are a couple of ways of installing Power BI, and I will show you first the one that I highly recommend. And it's through the Microsoft Store. So you just go to your Windows and type Microsoft, and you will see Microsoft Store. And then within the search box, just search by Power BI Desktop. And then just go to install. I recommend this way because you will get all the monthly updates automatically. So you don't have to install this again. Every single month you're gonna have new features installed in your Power BI desktop. So this is the first option, and the other option is just through the browser. So you just open any of your explorers and then just type Power BI desktop, hit on the first link that you find, and then here just hit on advanced download options, and then select the right version for yourself. So you scroll down and I can see clearly that this is the 64-bit version. So you just hit on download and that's it. And then you just install it as any other software. I'm just gonna go back to Microsoft Store and hit on open, and it's gonna open the Power BI for me. You will see this view coming up. All right, so when Power BI opens from the first time, you might have a pop-up window in the middle. I will say and check the box at the very end, and you don't have to think about that pop-up window anymore. You can start now playing around with Power BI, but I would suggest to do a couple of more things. I would say go to File, then Options, and Options here. All right, so when this is open, we're gonna have two main areas, the global side and the current file. From the global area, we have the data load, and some people decide to hit on never detect column types, and that's perfectly normal. That's okay, no problem. But I would rather use this one when I'm starting to learn about Power BI, because basically what it will do is it's gonna generate a last step of my queries, always trying to assign the right format to every single column. This might be wrong sometimes, so it might confuse numbers with text, but we can always tweak that step, and it's gonna save you some time at the beginning. That's that, and then down below we have time intelligence. I would say uncheck that thing, because otherwise it's gonna generate a table underneath every single date field that you have, and it's gonna take a lot of space from your memory. So uncheck that, and always use a calendar table to control your report. And then from the preview features, just check all the options that you have here. Basically, this contains all the different things that are coming with the update. So if you want to test something that is coming new, just hit on those and then you're gonna be able to test them. That's from the global side. And then last thing that I would change is just from the current file, just say auto detect new relationships and check that. And I'm doing this because I don't want Power BI to automatically assign relationship between my tables. I always want to be in control of which kind of relationships are created between them, because otherwise the data that I'm providing, it might be wrong. I might be filtering things that I don't want to, and the data might not make any sense. So therefore, I would say, uncheck this, and you will be always in control of which relationships are created between the tables. And that's all. Just hit an OK, and that's it. Now you have everything configured as I will do personally. In this channel, we're gonna cover many topics about Power BI and different technologies, and try to solve real case scenarios that you can apply to your particular cases. And that's all for today. I hope you like it. Leave a comment if you want. All my details are in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.